Natural tourist spots. Philippines tourist spots. 10 best tourist spots in the Philippines. Tourist spots finder last modified on January 26, 2019. 10 comments. With 107 scattered islands, there are surely a variety of tourist spots in the Philippines you can visit this year 2017. From Luzon, the Visayas to Mindanao, the Philippines got plenty of beautiful places to boast. According to the Manila Times, South Korea is the Philippines' biggest source of tourists, with 1.17 million visitors from that country. The United States ranks second with 674,564 arrivals. Other visitors came from Japan, China, Australia, Singapore, Taiwan, Canada, Hong Kong, United Kingdom, Malaysia, and Germany. The amazing tourist spots in the Philippines made the country rank 8th in the Best in Travel 2015 by Lonely Planet. When it comes to beautiful places and hospitable people, the Philippines won't fall behind. 10 best tourist spots in the Philippines. 1. Boracay. Boracay is the premier tourist spot in the Philippines. It's known to the world and had received a lot of awards from local to international awards. Boracay has an area of 3.98 square miles. It comprises 3 barangays, Yapak, Balabag, and Manik Manik. It's popular for its white sand beaches and nightlife. During Amihan season, that's from the months of November to May, the white beach is calm that makes tourism at its highest point. An awesome world-class paradise is waiting for you in Boracay. 2. Puerto Princesa Underground River. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, popularly known as Puerto Princesa Underground River, is now one of the new 7 wonders of nature. It's 8.2 kilometers long and the river flows directly to the sea, which is subject to a tidal flow. It has formations of stalactites and stalagmites and the habitat of many bats. A very mysterious yet wonderful tourist spot is waiting for you in Palawan. 3. Pescador Island. Pescador Island is a home for hundreds of thousands of sardines. That's why it's very popularly called the Sardine Run in Pescador Island. It has a large variety of fish. It is a very ideal place for recreational divers and the most popular dive spot in the Philippines. The dives are from 50 meters to 200 meters drop. Under the sea, there is a cathedral. The cathedral is a large hole with small caves inside, enough for a person to swim in and out. Great dives are waiting for you in Cebu. 4. Coron Island. Coron Island is the best tourist spot for wreck diving. It is an island of limestone and covered with mangrove forest. It has 7 lakes and the most famous is Kayangan Lake for its cleanliness. The island has also white beaches and clear blue waters. Coron Island is also known because of the Japanese shipwreck remains in World War II. One of the best scuba diving spots is waiting for you in Palawan. 5. Apo Reef. Apo Reef is also one of the famous dive spots in the Philippines. The Apo Reef is a coral reef system and the largest Apo Reef in the Philippines. The tourist spot is the second largest coral reef system in the world because number 1 is the Great Barrier Reef located in Australia. This underwater tourist spot in the Philippines is a 34-kilometer reef system and a habitat of many marine species. Reef sharks, manta rays, turtles are some of the marine lives that live there. Underwater adventure is waiting for you in Mindoro. 6. Pagsanjan Falls. Pagsanjan Falls is a very exciting fall. It has 3 drops and the longest drop is 120 meters. Pagsanjan Falls is a confluence of 2 rivers, Balanak and Bumbungan River. The spot was made popular because of its shooting the rapids, a term used when riding a dugout canoe downstream while the boatmen carefully maneuver it against the rushing waters. An exciting ride is waiting for you in Laguna. 7. Banawe Rice Terraces. Banawe Rice Terraces is a magnificent work of ancient engineering and tools. It's like a stepping stone in sky view. A place of sustainable living agriculture applied with traditional techniques. Banawe Rice Terraces was considered as the eighth wonder of the world, an awesome work and design of indigence of Ifugao formed through great precision and care. This tourist spot in the Philippines is over 2,000 years old and has an elevation of 1,500 meters above sea level. Terraces carved into mountains are waiting for you in Ifugao. 8. Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills are composed of around 1,776 cute hills. Hills vary from around 40 meters to 150 meters high. It's called Chocolate Hills because they are covered with grasses, and during summer the grasses dry out, which will make the hills color brown like chocolate, and that's where the name goes. Hundreds of cute hills are waiting for you in Bohol. 9. Mount Mayon. Mount Mayon is renowned to be the perfect cone. Its steep slope makes it amazing to stare, especially when the sun comes down and it casts its last seconds rays on the mountain. This magnificent tourist spot in the Philippines is even beautiful in the morning when the sun rises and the clouds respect its majestic peak. The most photogenic volcano is waiting for you in Albay. 10. Mount Apo. Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines, very known to mountain climbers. Mount Apo has an elevation of 2,954 meters above sea level. The very peak offers you a wide range of views of the Earth. There are many trails and tours that will help you reach the top. The highest mountain in the Philippines is waiting for you if you dare. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.